Today, I'll show you how to create that classic Star Wars scrolling text animation using a simple built-in animation in CapCut Mobile. Let's get started. First, open your project and select the text option from the bottom toolbar. Tap Add Text and type the opening text or title you want to scroll. Now, head to the Font tab and choose a style that matches the Star Wars vibe. Bold, clean fonts or futuristic sci-fi styles will look the best here. Next, tap on the Animation tab, go to the Loop section, and scroll until you find Moving Road. The moment you tap it, your text will start sliding forward in a 3D perspective, just like the Star Wars intro crawl. To control how fast the text scrolls, use the duration slider. Slide left for a faster Star Wars style crawl. Slide right for a slower cinematic drift. Adjust the timing based on the mood and length of your text, and that's it. You've created a Star Wars style moving text animation in CapCut Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed CapCut Mobile tutorials.